I guess there are a lot of legal issues. An employer that is watching this, how do I get a drug testing program started? Will I offend my employees? And is it legal to start one? I've been somebody's been in business for 10 years. So tell me about that.
Well, there's a lot of legal issues surrounding employee drug testing. That's why you have to hire a certified expert that specializes in forensic drug testing programs. Because just a medical provider or somebody working in medical clinics have no idea about the legal issues surrounding employee drug testing. Their focus is on medical practices, which they do a darn good job of.
So let me get this straight. There are a lot of companies in the business of drug testing right now. It may be a small medical center. They go in, they do some urinalysis testing, and then the employer feels like he has a drug testing program in place. Is that correct?
That's correct.
How is yours different than that?
Well, that gives them a false sense of security, Randy, because they feel that they're doing employee drug testing right now through a prominent and respected drug testing provider that does medical services. They feel that they're doing everything that they can legally do to do a drug testing program, but that's simply a false sense of security. What they're missing out on is all the legal issues surrounding drug testing in the workplace. Policy formation, legal review, certification of the collectors, chain of custody. There's total different types of programs for medical-based testing versus employment testing.
Okay, so you're a police officer, and then you founded this company, CalTest, to offer drug testing in the workplace. What happened that you didn't expect?
Well, one of the side benefits that we noticed with the drug testing program that employers weren't anticipating, and I myself wasn't anticipating, is the work-related accidents went down. In fact, they dropped by 300%.
Is that right?
That's correct. Can you believe this? And then fraudulent workers' comp claims dropped by 300% as well, because drug abusers who commonly abuse drugs will file more work-related claims.
So why did they go down in these companies?
Well, what's happening now, in the past, they'd go into a doctor and get work-related injury and medical treatment, but no drug testing was part of that. So they had no fear of being identified as a drug abuser in violation of their company policy. So they'd get time off with pay as a work-related injury. Now that drug testing is in there as a deterrent, drug abusers are now more reluctant to file these fraudulent claims against the employer.